Right, so I put some different coir in these trays to test them out. This one looks a lot wetter. It's sort of like chocolate brownie mixture, which is kind of what we're looking for. And I'm just going to sprinkle this one here with a bit more water here. Even that one a little bit more. But some more tutorials will be coming, especially with the sort of seasonal products. And I'm going to test out, this season we're doing 3 sort of set seeds and then you get to choose your own. We're doing, I'll give you a show. We've got, this is a rocket seed, it's a fine seed. They come in these larger tins, and these you'll get in the trilogy bundle, you'll get 3 types of seeds, and they will do 36 trays. So that's sort of averaging on 3 a week. And then the Pentology, we have 5 of these, and it'll do 60. And you get all the coir and all the seeds. You'll also get sort of replacement spoons and also the germination covers that I created just to make it easy for people. You'll get these replaced each quarter because they do get tatty after a little while. And it's just got a bit of a thing here about the magic of seeds. So let's give this a go. So I'm going to do the rocket first, sprinkling really lightly over. You don't need to be too thick again because they can clump together. Again, I can make some. I'm gonna cause that to happen on some other some planting guides, so people know what to do if that happens. This one is a broccoli. I'll put this over here and just gently. So it's only a real, 3 sort of spoons. Yeah, and then I'm going to do China Rose, which is a lot thicker seed. You can see here. Put this over here like this. Yeah. They obviously need a few more spoonfuls because you only get a few in the little scoop here. But that is fine. That's good as it is. So evenly spread as it is. And then I'm just going to sprinkle them with water again, which obviously we had water before, but they need water to germinate. Really make sure that they've got a good watering. This one here obviously had a lot of water already, but I'm still going to make sure the top of them are done. And then I'm going to put these covers over the top and then just stack them like this. See, that was a tatty one that I've reused. There, like that. And then put these, I'm just going to put them in a warm-ish place. I've got a little downstairs cloakroom that's got a radiator, which, because I've got a radiator, I do keep an eye on them in case they dry out, because the coir can dry out, but I will keep you up to date on their progress over the next few days to make sure they look as, you can see that that's what they should look like. Because I do get a lot of people going, oh, what's that, mould? It's not, it's usually root fur. And again, just seeing visually and checking in and asking questions. And it won't be long before you've got the hang of it.